Hello student, this is your maths teacher and here I am going to explain your question paper of the class 7. I hope that you will get everything clear. So first of all, I would like to tell you that your paper has been divided into two sections. The first section poses multiple choice question, fill in the blanks and true false. And section B poses two questions. The first is short answer type question which have 10 parts, that is 10 questions, and the next is the long question type answer. So as I can see in the paper that there is no any misprint in the question number 1, that is the multiple choice question, fill in the blanks and true false, so you can do this easily. As you know that the multiple choice question carry 4 options, so you have to choose the correct answer according to the question. Okay, in the fill in the blanks you have to use appropriate word in order to complete the sentence, in order to complete the statement as given in the question. The question number 3, you have to decide which statement is true and which statement is not true. So the statement which is true you have to write true, and the statement which is not true you have to write false. So these are these questions from the section A. In the section B, the first question is evaluate and check the answer. That is the very short type answer question. So the given there is given a linear equation. The first part of question number 4. 7x plus 4 is equal to 24. Okay, so you have to just solve it, and you know how to solve this. So solve it and find out the result. The second is simplify. The question is 0.05 plus 25 upon 4. This is the given integer and their sum. So you have to find the sum of this given integer. And I know that you can do this. The next is add. The given is 1.3 bar plus 0.13 bar, and I told you how to convert such type of repeating decimal into the fraction. So first of all convert this into the fraction and then add them. Okay, the next is Mohan borrowed rate 500 rupees 500 at the rate of 5% for 2 years. Then what will be the amount he returned at the end of 2 years? This is the question from the simple interest. So here you will write the formula. Interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. And after getting the value of simple interest, just in order to get amount, you have to add the principal into the simple interest, you will get this. So you will use this formula in order to solve the problem. The next is find the percentage. I know that you can easily find out the percentage. The question is given 30% of 720. 30% of 720. As I told you that 30% means 30 upon 100 multiplied by 720. So just solve it, you will get your result. Okay. The next question is show that 8, 6 and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. If the given triplet satisfies the theorem AC square is equal to AP square plus BC square, then it is true that the given triplet are Pythagorean triplet. Okay. The next is the circumference of the circle is 176 centimeters. Then find its diameter. We know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. The circumference is given as 176. So just solve this, you will get your result. Okay. The next is find the value of 5 to the power 8, 5 to the power 8 upon 25 to the power 4. You have to get the value. So you know how to solve this as I taught you recently. So I think that these are freshly set in your mind. The next, convert as required. You have to convert 7 kilometer 200 meter in decameter. In decameter. So I hope that you can solve this. Just convert them multiplying by the suitable multiple object. You can convert this into the required unit. Now let us see the next, the long answer type question. In the long answer type question, each question carry 3 marks. Each question carry 3 marks, and you have to answer of all the questions. That is, all questions are compulsory. In the first question, we have to find out the value of x, as the given question is like this. This is the angle of 145 degree, and this is the angle of 135 degree, and we have to find the exterior angle, that is x, and the exterior angle y. Okay, so as I give you the concept of the transversal and the parallel line, you can easily find out the value of this given figure. Okay, in the next figure, you have to find the value as the remark. This is the given figure. Okay, this is the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. This is given 30 degree and this is the 60 degree. Okay, we have to find angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 using the concept of the property of triangle. The next is, if 348 grams sugar needed to make 12 sweet, then how much sugar is needed to make 20 sweet? You will apply the unitary method in order to get the result of the third question. That is, 340 grams sugar make 12 sweet. Then how much sugar required to make 20 sweet? So first of all, find the requirement of sugar for 1 sweet and then multiply that by 20. You will get your result. The next is, in the party, 54% of guests were women. If the total number of women was 27, then find the total number of guests. Okay, here 54% is equal to 27. Then what will be the result of 100%? You have to find the value of 100%. And the last is solve. You have to find the result of minus 7 upon 9 multiplied by minus 15 upon 20. The all remaining questions are like this. You have to multiply using the concept of integer and the fraction simultaneously. Okay students, so I hope that the explanation is clear to everyone. Thanks for watching the video.